Alright y'all, UD here. And I went ahead and picked me up the new Arrma Kraton, the EXB Extreme Basher. So I went ahead and picked up this new truck for my son and I. Mostly he's gonna be driving it. Go out there and bash together. This is my very first Kraton. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys, man. Just show you guys what she's looking like. This is my first ever Kraton from Arrma. Go ahead and break the seal on it. Alright. Alright. Seal is broken. Alright, so go ahead and pop the top on her. Oh, yo, big man, see? Got ourselves a new rig, big man.
I smell it. I just smell it.
You guys see that?
I like this.
You like it?
Yes, I like this.
Yeah.
How?
This is gonna be our new truck we play with, guys.
I love another kid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get out the box, y'all. Just even try to do this thing one-handed. Alright. Man. This thing is beautiful, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. Oh, man. Dang. I ain't never seen a Kraton before. Like in person like this, the 6S setup. But this thing is beautiful, y'all. This thing is beautiful. Suspension feel real good. I mean, I ain't gonna do no big old in-depth unboxing. You've probably seen too many of these. It's the chassis. Alright. There's a nice feel to it. Of course, the new smell of a RC, man. It's real good. So you get a little, you get your bag here, manual. You get pinion gear, looks pretty small. There's a little tool bag. I guess it's like the shock pistons, get tuned out. All right, we got sticker and then just a bag. All right, take the body off. Take a look, see what it's about. That's the body, man. I really like this color, this matte color. Real nice. All right. This is her, y'all. So this is the top here, this top rack. I guess the shock tower body support is soft. It's like plastic. I don't know why I thought it was like a metal or something. I mean, again, I've never had a Kraton, so no idea. This is what she looks like, guys. None of you guys ever seen these. Again, I'm new, super green to the Kraton. Yeah, just doing a quick unboxing, y'all. Got the adjustable trays like the Typhon. Got your receiver box right here, antenna, all the upgraded parts. It's pretty beefy. I mean, I don't have them to compare it to. I have not had the previous Kratons or anything, but I mean, it's pretty beefy. I'm not even gonna lie, it looks pretty good. Got your sway bar and everything. It's really nice, guys. Quick unboxing. It's a roller. My plans is I'll be putting in the BLX 185 system in it. Nothing fancy, nothing overkill. Like I said, it's gonna be my son gonna be driving it. I'm gonna have fun with it also, but it's really for him. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun with this guy, man. You know, finally got my hands on one, and look forward to the installation video and running video coming up soon. All right, appreciate it for watching. Catch you on the next one.